Hi guys. Excuse me. Hey guys, it's Belle. Today, I did something a little bit different. I actually recorded this video and edited it like a month ago, but I just never made an intro and I kind of forgot about it. And I'm just like, I haven't posted in a week. You know what? I'm just gonna finish this. So today, actually a month ago, I recorded a video and I did a murder mystery thing, just playing murder mystery with my friends Angus, Iris, and Paul. I believe were the only ones in it, right? I thought it would be fun to do something else, and not just edits. So like, if you enjoy this or want to see like more content like this, make sure to comment down below because I need to know like if you guys want to see more edits or see more like of these. And I'm a little bit unmotivated to edit or to like make edits right now. I don't know what it is, but I've just been like not motivated and I've been kind of busy with school for sure. I had so much homework over the weekend, it was insane. So that's why I haven't posted in like a week. You're gonna see how bad I am at murder mystery, so that's good. And yeah, just make sure to comment down below if you like this, or comment down below like what other games you would like to see me play, because I want to try other things like other than editing with like friends and stuff. So if you enjoy this, make sure to comment down below and just tell us your thoughts. And sorry for like the really long intro. I actually lost a ton of recording for the video, so I'm like kind of stalling because I don't want the video to be like 3 minutes long. But I think that's long enough. Okay, Belle, you can end the intro now. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. And yeah, let's get right into it.
Nope.
It's not me. It's not me. Angus, stop! It's not me. Stop! Fine. Shoot me. Shoot me. Shoot me. I dare you.
Oh, get away! It's you!
It's
you.
not me. Angus, watch
Get
out!
back.
It might be Iris. It's
Get
not
back.
me.
Get back!
I'm lagging so bad. Please! No!
Get over here.
No!
Get over here. Paul, get over here.
Bro, I hate lagging.
Bye. Bye, Paul.
Belle, you're the only one left.
I know! I'm not stupid.
Yoink. Belle.
Please don't.
Belle, wherever you are. Hi, Bill. Hi, Bill. Hi, Bill.
No! I'm lagging so bad!
You're walking into them.
I'm so laggy!
You walked right where they were, bro. What were you doing?
Angus!
Oh my god, that was lovely.
Angus, you know how bad I am, okay?
Good game, guys. Good game.
You're good at it. Don't be such a downer.
Why are you following me?
For what?
Oh,
Are you okay? Jesus.
he killed me.
Oh!
Wait,
Oh.
what? Oh, I'm sorry.
Play.
I killed him. I'm
Bill,
so
why are you
sorry,
running
Paul.
from me? You're supposed to kill me.
No,
I'm supposed to be
no.
running from you.
No!
I'm supposed to be running from you.
No,
Wow.
please.
Belle's
Bro, I'm
turning
supposed to be
into
running
her
from
dog.
you.
I'm so bad. I hate this game so much. I'm gonna puke.
Whoa. Oh, that's enough. Oh my gosh, come on guys, I believe in you.
Where are they?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Whoa!
I'm cheering.
Please!
Where are all the doctors in this hospital, bro? They just all left. Oh, people
dip.
need medical attention. I'm out of here.
People have a broken limb. Oh, I'm out of here.
Paul, jump off and try again.
Poppy, try again. What?
No, it's like when you're in elementary school and you run down the hall and they're like, go back and try again.
Yes.
It's so sad. That's such a sad.
That's such a sad.
Shut up!
I can't breathe. It's funny.
What was funny?
You got stuck in the room! You wanna try me, Sherlock?
Try me. Try me, bitch.
Oh my gosh. Never say that again.
Never say that again. Oh my lord, are you okay?
Shut up, yeah.
What? What?
Wait! The garage. There's no garage door in the garage. How does the car get in there and how does it get out? This Popo station is pretty not Popo.
I'm sorry, Iris, you keep passing by him and it pains me to watch.
Get out of here!
Get out of here! Oh my god, I'm lagging so bad.
Val, where are you?
I am. Why? What? I'm right. Or I'm over here. I'm around the corner. Where are you?
You're lying.
Bro, I'm
around the corner.
Wait, what?
Where's the murderer?
No!
Oh shoot! I'm lagging! My game is so laggy. Gosh dang it!
You went up into the air and you just like fell into my arms.